day. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to make some delicious cabbage and I want to share it with you, but guys, I'm going to put a twist to it. All right, let's start, guys. Today, you know, I'm going to make some cabbage. Okay, so this is my cabbage. All right, and this is my season. I have some tomato here. Okay, and I have here some carrot, and I have some sweet pepper, and I have here all different colors sweet pepper. Okay, and some onion. All right, and then I have some garlic here. Okay, so this is my fresh garlic. All right, I'm going to use some salt pork. You don't have to use the salt pork, but I like to use the salt pork, but you have to boil it off. Okay, all right, I'm going to use some all-purpose season. This is the all-purpose season, and this is the black pepper. Okay, I'm going to use some seasoned salt. I'm going to use some red pepper seed. All right, so let's start. So guys, I'm going to put my salt pork to boil. This is how the salt pork looks. If you don't know, this is how it looks. I want to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to put it to boil. This is how it looks. Okay, I'm going to put it to boil. All right. So guys, so this is the water. So I'm going to put my salt pork in for about 3 or 4 minutes because I don't want it salt. And if you want to boil your one lesser, you can do that too. But I don't want my cabbage to salt, you know. So I always boil it off a little bit first. Okay, so I'm going to just make it boil first, and then I will start my cabbage. All right. So this is my cabbage, guys. Okay. So meanwhile my salt pork is boiling, I'm just cutting up my cabbage, you know, taking the time to do that meanwhile my salt pork boiling. Okay, so I will see you in a bit. All right, so I finished cut up my my cabbage. So now I'm gonna wash it. You want to definitely throw some salt to wash it, you know, but it's all good to wash it. You just sprinkle some salt all over it and washed it. Okay, so this is the salt. So you're going to sprinkle your salt. Okay. You want to just sprinkle the salt all over it. This is just to wash your cabbage. You wash your cabbage. All right. So the cabbage already washed. Now ready to cook. So I already took it out the pot. Here it is. So now I'm just gonna cut it up. If you don't want to cut up here and you see the steam coming out, you can wash it off to cool it, guys. You know, it's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. So I'm just gonna cut it up a bit. And if you wanna cook it like this, you can. But you know, I just wanna cut up mine small pieces. You know, it's pretty hot, so that's why I'm using the scissors. It's pretty hot. Yeah, this is good enough for me. So right now, I'm just gonna fry it up a bit. Okay, I'm gonna put my pan on and show you what to do. All right. Okay. Thanksgiving menu. So now I'm going to fry up my salt pork. So you just want to make sure, you know, the salt take a bit. I'm going to fry it for about 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna throw my cabbage. Alright, so I'm gonna fry for 3 minutes. I want to give it a little color. So 3 minutes, and then I throw the cabbage right on top of it. Look at that. Alright guys. Alright, so now I'm going to put my cabbage in. And then I'm going to put my season in. Okay. I'm going to put my powder season in. Alright. So this is my powder season, the all-purpose season. I'm not going to put all of it. And this is the seasoned salt. And this is the red pepper. Because the salt pork, you know, it's salt. Although I scald it off, it still has some salt. So I want to definitely be careful with the salt. And you know, most of these seasons have a lot of salt, you know. A whole lot of salt. Then I'm going to put my fresh season in. Alright. Just dump it all over it like that. Okay. Give it a nice stir. Keep it on medium heat. Alright, so you don't want your cabbage to burn. So keep it on medium heat. Alright, you can give the cabbage around 5 minutes. And if you feel like you want more time, you can. But I don't really like my cabbage too soft. I like a little crunch to it. Alright. Hi guys, Jamaican food you must try during Thanksgiving. Some Jamaican curry goat, oxtail, fried chicken, soup, brown stew chicken, jerk chicken, rice and peas, callaloo, jerk pork, and fried fish. Enjoy! Okay guys, now I'm going to throw some black pepper. This is the black pepper. So I'm going to put a little black pepper all over it. And a pinch of salt. As I told you, just be careful with your salt. Okay? Just be careful with your salt. This is just a pinch, as you can see. Alright? If you're using salt pork, the salt pork have a lot of salt. Alright? So, you know, keep on tasting. You know? So you don't want your cabbage to salt. Alright? So now I'm going to put some butter. I'm going to put some butter. I have my favorite butter. So my cabbage is finished. It's ready to eat. You can eat this cabbage with anything your heart desire. You can eat it with some cooked dumpling. You can eat this with some, you know, cooked banana, yam, you know, even bread, whatever your heart desire, even some white rice. All right. So this is my dish, guys. It's finished, ready to eat, guys. So this is what I'm going to eat my cabbage with, some dumpling. All right. And I have some bread here too, you know, but I choose dumpling. All right guys, but anyway guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, you know, like, give me a thumbs up, you know, leave me a comment, you know, share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you. Hello, good day. Almost dropped. Hello, good day. Almost dropped.